Hello guys, today we are going to discuss the question number 14.5 of oscillation chapter exercise. So what did question state? It states that we are here with a particle which is in linear simple harmonic motion between 2 points A and B. There are 2 points A and B. A particle is oscillating on this point along these points in simple harmonic motion, and the distance is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Take the direction from A to B as positive direction. We have to take direction from A to B as positive direction. It is directed to us in the question. Positive direction means all the direction along AB will be positive, maybe it displacement, maybe it velocity, or maybe it acceleration, and the direction from B to A all will be negative. So, and give the sign of, take the direction from A and to B is positive, and give the sign of, we have to give the sign of velocity, acceleration and force at various points on this line AB, on which the particle is oscillating in simple harmonic motion from A to B. Let's see the first position with first part. The first position is at the end A. Here, our particle is here. At this position, the particle, maybe it is starting or maybe it coming from there. To take turn, it has to be coming momentarily in rest. So here our velocity will be 0, and our acceleration is always towards the mean position. So our acceleration is towards this side. So this direction, AB direction, is positive direction. So our acceleration will also be positive. And if acceleration is positive, our force will also be in this direction, and our force will also be positive sign here. So next question is at the end B. Next part is at the end B. Our particle is at the end B. We have to define the notions here of velocity, acceleration or force. At this position, this is the extreme position. To take the turn, the velocity, to change the direction, the velocity should be 0. So our velocity also here is 0, and our acceleration. Now the acceleration is towards the mean position, so it is towards P. But this direction from B to A is negative direction, so our acceleration will be negative, as well as our force will also be negative. In the third case, at the midpoint of AB, going towards A, our particle is here at this midpoint of AB and going in this direction towards A. So in this case, here the particle is at mean position. Here acceleration and force will be 0. Acceleration will be 0 and force will also be 0, because our force is always towards the mean position. If the particle is at mean position, then acceleration and force will be equal to 0, and the velocity in this direction at the mean position will be negative. Okay, because AB is the positive direction. Now fourth part is at 2 centimeter away from B. 2 centimeter away from B, going towards A, and it is proceeding towards A at this location. Simply, this is the D part. At this location, the direction, positive direction, is from A to B. Our particle is moving from B to A, and here it is on this position. So velocity will be simply negative. What about acceleration? Acceleration is towards this point, and this is the direction, negative direction. So acceleration is negative, as well as our force will be negative. Now we have to move towards the fifth point. At 3 centimeter away from E part, 3 centimeter away from A, it is 3 centimeter away from A, somewhere here, 3 centimeter away from A, going towards B. It is going towards B. Position is here and direction is this. So at this direction, this is positive direction, so velocity sign will be positive. Acceleration, it also towards the main position, so acceleration will also be positive, as well as our force will also be positive. Now next part, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. At 4 centimeter away from B. 4 centimeter away from B. It is 10 centimeter, mid is 5 centimeter, so 4 centimeter will be here. Okay. Away from B, going towards A, and it is approaching towards A. 4 centimeter from B, going towards A. Okay. So at this position, our velocity is negative because direction is B to A, positive direction is A to B. Velocity is negative. Acceleration is also towards B. So acceleration, velocity negative, acceleration negative, then force will also be negative. So these are the cases which we need, which are given. 2 centimeter going towards B, 2 centimeter away from B, and let's say 4 centimeter away from B. Okay, this is the question. Thanks a lot.